Pleasant evening to everyone. Welcome to Tenimax. I am moving through example 2.35. What is the question? Find all cube roots of root 3 plus I. So Z cube is equal to root 3 plus I. Basic form of polar form r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Then from this complex term, what is the value of x? Root 3. What is the value of y? Is equal to 1. And how to find out the r? Square root of x square plus y square. So root 3 the whole square, 1 square. Again r is equal to root 3 the whole square means 3 plus 1. Then r is equal to square root of 4, isn't it? So square root of 4 means r is equal to 2. So r is over. Then we need to find out theta. How to find out the theta? So alpha is equal to tan inverse modulus of y by x, isn't it? So y by x means alpha is equal to tan inverse y is equal to 1, x is equal to root 3. Therefore alpha is equal to tan inverse 1 by root 3. So tan 30 degree means 1 by root 3. So tan 30 degree means pi by 6. So 180 divided by 6 means 30 degree will come. Then we know symbol, no, because both are positive. Therefore root 3 plus I lies on first quadrant. Lies on first quadrant means the tan theta is equal to alpha. So theta is equal to alpha means alpha is equal to pi by 6. So theta value also over, r also over. So r is equal to, we found true, isn't it? So Z cube is equal to r value, true. So 2 into theta value pi by 6 cos pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 6. Then so next Z cube bring out opposite side means 2 to the power 1 by 3. Then again cos pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 6 the 1 by 3. So this is we can write no cube root of 2, isn't it? So cube root of 2 means இப்போ cube இல்லாமல் எழுதும் கண்டிப்பாக 2 to the power 1 by 3 போடாமல் 2 to the power 1 by 3 நம்ம cube root of 2 எழுதிக்கலாம்ல. as well as இங்கே வந்துட்டு general term of polar form how to rearrange இருக்கக்கூடிய கண்டிஷன் கூட 2k பை ஆட் பண்ணக்கூடியதான் general term of polar form. So cos of 2k pi plus pi by 6 plus I sin 2k pi plus pi by 6, isn't it? I sin 2k pi plus pi by 6 the whole power of 1 by 3. Then Z is equal to cube root of 2. Cross multiply means cos of 2 into 6 12k pi plus pi by 6 plus I sin into again 2 into 6 12k pi plus pi by 6 the whole power of 1 by 3. Again Z is equal to cube root of 2 cos of pi take common outside means pi வெளியிடும் என்ன ஆகும் 12k plus 1 எழுதிக்கலாமா. So 12k plus 1 into pi by 6 plus I sin into again 12k plus 1 into pi by 6 the whole power of 1 by 3. Therefore then next what we have to do, power value உள்ள கொண்டு வரும்போது பெருக்கினா போதும், isn't it? So suppose 6 into 3 what we have to change 18 வரும், isn't it? Therefore Z is equal to cube root of 2 cos of, so கண்டிப்பா 6 into 3 18 வரும், isn't it? So 12k plus 1 18 pi by, sorry my dear, down no, so down value means 6 into 3 pi by 18. So pi by 18 plus I sin 12k plus 1 again pi by 18 where k is equal to, we have to apply 0 comma 1 comma 2, isn't it? So when k is equal to 0 means what will happen? When k is equal to 0. So z is equal to cube root of 2, then cos of 0 apply பண்ணப்ப 12 into 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1. Outside pi by 18 is so cos pi by 18 plus I sin pi by 18. Next condition, when k is equal to 1, z is equal to cube root of 2. Condition, கண்டிப்பாக கேக்கு பதில் 1 போடும்போது 12 into 1, 12. 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. 13 pi by 18 cos 13 pi by 18 plus I sin 13 pi by 18. Next, when k is equal to 2, z is equal to cube root of 2 cos of 2 means 12 into 2, 24. 24 plus 1, 25. 25 by 18 plus I sin 25 by 18. So look at there. இந்த கண்டிஷனில் நம்ம டேமை பிரிக்கலை, ஏன்னா டினாமினேட்டர் வந்துட்டு நியூமரேட்டர் பெருசாக. அப்போ அந்த மாதிரி கண்டிஷன் பார்க்கும்போது இங்கே தான் கண்டிஷன் பாருங்கள், இந்த 3 டேமில் நம்ம கம்பேர் பண்ணி பார்க்கும்போது நியூமரேட்டரில் வேறு இங்கே தான் பெருசாக இருக்குது கம்பேர் பண்ண டினாமினேட்டர். அங்கே இங்கே எல்லாமே டினாமினேட்டர் பிகர் கம்பேரிங் த நியூமரேட்டர். அப்போது இந்த டேமை மட்டும் நமக்கு எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் பண்ணலாம். லிசன். So 25 pi by 18. So 25 pi by 18 means 18 pi plus 7 pi by 18. இங்கே ஏன் 18 அப்படி இருக்குன்னா கண்டிப்பாக 18 divided by 18 போடும்போது 1 வரும்ல. அப்போ இங்கே 18 pi 7 pi already if you add means definitely we know the answer 25 pi. Again 18 pi by 18 plus 7 pi by 18. Again 18 cancel means 25 by 18 is equal to pi plus 7 pi by 18. If you make the quadrant means, look at there pi plus, kandipa 0, pi by 2, this is pi, no, pi plus means lies on third quadrant. Third quadrant means all silver teacup means only tan only positive. So remaining sin and cos will be negative means how to rearrange. Listen. How to rearrange? Z is equal to cube root of 2 cos pi plus 7 pi by 18, isn't it? Pi plus 7 pi by 18 plus I sin pi plus 7 pi by 18. So pi plus means third quadrant. Third quadrant means tan only positive. Here we have cos and sin. So both of them will be negative. Therefore Z is equal to cube root of 2 minus cos 7 pi by 18, again minus I sin 7 pi by 18. This is value will be equal to where k is equal to 2, isn't it? So please listen, my dear students. If you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts. Okay. Thanks to viewers. We will continue our next video. Bye bye.